Hello, hello. Hi, everybody. Sorry for
Yeah,
delay.
going.
Yes, hello, hello. Who is still here? Well, welcome to the Crypto Legendz. Our chat, our channel, uh, our channel. Gonna introduce all the traders over the globe. So they're gonna share their experience, their opinion, and their charts. So today we have one guest. Please introduce yourself. What's your name? I cannot hear you. I don't see your mic.
Okay.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. What's your name? And
So,
where are you from?
yeah, I'm so excited. You can hear me, right? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah. Please
Okay,
tell
good.
me a little bit about yourself. What's your name, and where are you living? Which country?
Okay. Yeah, my name is Ruboy. Ruboy Crypto. So if you search for Ruboy Crypto online, you're going to find me, right? So I've been a trader for some years now, and I've also invested in projects, working with some projects too, right? And
Mhm.
I'm a chartist, a chart with basically with Pitchfork, and I respect the dominance and the BTC chart. So very important. So and I'm chatting from Africa, which is yeah, that's where I am right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome. So tell me, real boy, what do you think about Bitcoin? What do you think about the Bitcoin price?
Should we? I think we should go with the charts too. I think the chart will be. What do you think? Can you
Okay,
get my
this would
chart
be
on?
great. Yeah. Can you
Can you
share,
get my
please?
chart?
Yeah, yeah.
I
Can
think I would need to know how to show my chart.
are you
Oh,
using laptop?
yes, I'm on my system.
Okay, so you can share your chart. There is downstairs bottom share, so you can use it.
Okay, okay, that was great.
Mhm.
Just a few minutes. Let me get the chart up.
Hello, hello, guys. Thank you so much for waiting. Finally, we are live.
Trading view. I don't know what's wrong with trading view this morning. Okay,
Mhm.
please, few money. Let me get this.
Yes, let's wait.
I'm trying to get this chart here.
Little boy will share his chart. How are you, Leggings? Woohoo! Still here. Thank you so much to came this morning. I know it's Friday. It's been busy to everybody. Thank you so much to find the time and join us. Yeah.
Okay, I'm good now.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Let me
It's
share my screen.
our first live today. We're still trying to figure out the technical part. I hope it's not so hard for you.
No, 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 no.
That's
Can
fine.
you see my chart?
Yeah, I can see. Just adding to the screen your chart. Okay, well, Rule Boy, tell me, what you are doing, what you think about the Bitcoin price.
Okay, so basically, before we go into that, right, it's very important that we look into the dominance before talking about the Bitcoin chart. Okay, it's very important. So I love using my. This is on the monthly candle, right? So
Mm-hmm.
let me take my pitchfork from the daily candle before I can now jump into what I'm thinking about the Bitcoin price. So now
Okay.
just want to analyze this from this point of view. So this is daily. This is daily,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So I just want to take this chart. Let me take it from
So tell me, Rule Boy, which
yeah,
indicators do you use for analysis?
yeah. Basically, I love the pitchfork. The pitchfork, which is right here, it's one of the best, and traders underrate it. Traders underrate
Pitchfork.
the pitchfork. Yes, the pitchfork.
Mm-hmm.
Pitchfork. It's very accurate and it's very good, but not everybody knows about it. Not everybody knows about. Not everybody loves using it. So, but I think whenever I use it, it gives me.
Can you tell me more about this, please? Please share it with the guys.
Okay, so that'll be awesome. So you just see me trying to use it right now. Okay. This is one of the greatest tools out there, but it's just few traders that use it, but I love it so much. So now looking at this chart, this is on 4 hours candle, right? But I'm gonna zoom out so that we can see more about it. So we can see more. So this is dominance. Remember, I'm on dominance. I'm on dominance. So I just want to see the movement of dominance to see where dominance is heading to, and before I can now make my decision on where the market should go. So I'm going to take the inside, work with the inside. The next, let me just duplicate this for BTC so that I can have two charts, BTC and the rest. So let me take BTC right here. Because basically the BTC charts, the BTC chart and the BTC dominance affect the whole market in entirety.
How
And
does it affect? How does it affect?
so that's why it's very important as a trader you look at the BTC dominance before looking at the normal chart itself. So now let's move over to daily so that I can now know what my thought is. Like yesterday, if you are following me on Twitter, I tweeted yesterday and on Instagram. I said that the dominance, we could see the dominance here, this right candle here. Let me remove this and get this. Yes, let me get this up. So yesterday we saw the dominance pushing this candle that is right here. We saw it pushing right up, and the market was going down, and the market itself was actually going down. So what does that mean? Because recently the dominance was going up right here. The dominance was going up, and we're seeing BTC and the other market falling down. So this is from the 30K. These ranges were from the 30K, and that was when BTC was going down. So we now see dominance retracing back down, and BTC was still going down. So yesterday I was expecting dominance to start going back up, and the rest of the market should start going down, because it's like a cycle, which means when the dominance is going up, it's either BTC and altcoin is going up or they are dumping, because the dominance actually controls the way the market moves, right? So, but yesterday, this candle created. So this candle right here came in, which is not supposed to come in, right? So, but if this candle is still here, that means the dominance is still going to go down while the BTC chart is still going to go down. So basically, so for me, if that's still going to happen, looking at my dominance from a daily candle, I'm seeing all still maybe holding at these levels, at these 43 levels on dominance. Then BTC, because I'm expecting BTC to still come down for me. I'm seeing a whole lot of traders who are saying, we're going to pump, they're buying. Even Elliott Trade was saying that he's buying and is expecting a big pump. But I don't think for me, it's actually what I'm waiting for, because BTC is still, for me, BTC is still going to come down to the 13K levels, because there's nothing much, if you see, there's nothing much at these levels that we need to hold, except here, we are going to come retest here. Once we retest there, we're still going to come retest here. We're still going to come retest here. And
Can
one more
you
place,
show where?
can you see me? Can you see my chart?
Yeah. I can see your chart, but I cannot see the mark.
You can see what?
I just see the chart, but I cannot see your mouse.
Okay, you can see my mouse.
Yeah, like where we have to point our attention.
Is that from the settings?
Pardon?
Is it from the settings?
I can see only your chart, but I cannot see what you're doing in this chart.
Okay, you can see my drawings. You can see my drawings.
No, I cannot see your drawing.
Oh, I've been drawing for a long time now. So that means where is that coming from? Let me stop sharing and share again. Let me share my screen again. Hold up.
Mm-hmm.
Just one more time. Let me do that again. And okay, I just need to share everything here. I think that will work. Is my screen sharing now? Can you see my screen?
Not yet. Wait.
Let me do it one more time. Just one more time. Share. That's permission to capture. Oh, they're asking me to give system settings. Like I need to do some settings before. Let's just need to allow. Okay, I need to allow my file. No, let me just allow this. Okay, I think I should be good now.
Mm-hmm. You guys, some technical points. So, you was drawing until some moment, and then it stops.
Okay, it was drawing before, then it stopped.
Yeah, it was drawing before, like maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. It wasn't sure.
Okay, let me share that again. The Chrome is telling me that something is locked. I don't know what's locked.
Load.
I don't know what's locked. Okay, can you see the drawings?
Yes.
You can see my drawings, right?
Yep. Oh,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
perfect. So, tell me,
I think that was
why you think
from.
the Bitcoin price gonna go down?
Okay, so so for me right now, I've been seeing a lot of traders who are saying that they're expecting a pump from this, that there should be a pump to 100K again, back to 50K, then we can now start the next bull run. But for me, basically, I'm still seeing the market coming down to this. These are four levels I have right here. These are four
Mhm.
levels I have right here. So now the first level is retesting the 17K ranges. So once we are done retesting the 17K ranges, we are going to come back to the 16K ranges, which when you see there's no activities right here that should hold us. There's no much activities right here
Which
that feels
which
like
year?
okay.
This
Is it
year? Is it this year or last year?
that should be this should be 20
2020.
December 2020. This is
Mhm.
like December 2020.
So what do you think? It's gonna go down or below that point? It's already near.
Because it's going to go below this because my dominance is already showing me that we are not going to hold so strong at where we are. So dominance is going to push back up because if you can remember, I was talking about dominance. So the movement of dominance affects the movement of the market. It's very important because the market moves with the dominance. The dominance moves with the market. They'll go hand in hand together. So it's very important that you understand the movement of the dominance. Then you can now talk about how the market is going. So the market is highly volatile right now, which I know that this is December 2020 that this event happened, which basically today is still July. We're in July, June, July, and we are seeing the same candle repeating,
Uh,
going back to the
Real
same
boy.
level it was in 2020. So which basically means we can easily break here because just like I was saying, there's no much activities happening here, which is not a big deal for us to break here, coming down to the 13K ranges and the 10K ranges. So basically for me, I'm expecting Bitcoin. I'm not buying, but I've been shorting. I actually don't follow pump, but what I do is that when I see a coin that pumps, I'll just go short it. So which helps me a lot and I make a lot of profit for me. So for me, I'm waiting for Bitcoin to come down to these ranges, which it
Reach
might take us
20,
months to come
you think
down,
down to
but it's not the
70.
best time for me to buy. I think that's my own opinion.
So, what you suggest? Which altcoin chart you want to share with the crypto legends? So, what would love to suggest our followers?
You said what?
Um, Which altcoin would you suggest for us?
Okay. Okay, you want me to make a call? That means I actually need to make a call right now. Basically, I have three major coins that we love everyone to look at. Let me see if I can get that right from my phone. Um,
Real boy, we have the comment. Can you please, may you make the chart on black background?
you say
May you do the chart? May you put the chart on the black background?
my chat on black background?
Yeah.
Okay. So to change my theme, that means to change the theme to dark mode.
Mm-hmm.
Dark mode. Yes, confirm. You cool with that, right? Okay, so
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much. I cannot see anything. Oh, okay, it's appearing. The guys, is it more
can
better?
you see it now?
Yeah, I can see.
You can barely
For
see
me,
it, right?
frankly, on the white it's better, but the guys from the YouTube channel they asked to make it on the black background. Okay.
Because I prefer, like, I think that the white background it's more
Same here. Yeah.
visible.
The white. Hmm.
The white background is more visible than the black background. Okay,
Okay,
so
we have.
my call is
Uh-huh.
actually right. There are three projects that I think they are going to do very well. No,
Mm-hmm.
like recently, um, can you give exact entries? And okay, so basically, my course I have like BNB is actually going to do a whole lot. BNB is going to do well because looking at the stuff happening in the market, BNB number one. The number two is I think I don't really want to give so much cause right now. Let me just say, right now I'm watching out for BNB because BNB it's doing a lot and it's standing stronger than any other project out there. So for now, maybe on my next show, I can just get a cause for everyone. Yes.
Okay.
So that's basically
Thank you
what I
so
want to
much
say.
for
Let me
sharing.
show you BNB chat. If you
Uh-huh.
don't mind.
We have some comments. Okay. On the chat. Guys, everything is clear for you. Do you have any other questions?
Like BNB, it's actually a project that you need to hold for a long time. No, it's also going like the way the rest of the market is going to, right? But looking
Mhm.
at yesterday, BNB signed they signed Kabi for their NFT project and marketing, to hype the market, which is a whole, which is so beautiful. So I think BNB is one of the projects that you should be looking at right now. Is on the value, but you can still be waiting for it at 170K to
Mhm.
180K. It can still come down to 170K to 180K, and then you can just grab some more of BNB, even to 150. So BNB should be one that you should be looking at. Yeah, for now. Maybe next time I'll bring in calls. I'll be making more calls.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Super. Thank you so much for coming. We have
Yeah.
like some suggestions and requests from our followers. So, like, if you may next time to give the exact entries, SL and TP on short.
Yeah, maybe we can have that later, like not
Later.
today. My
Mhm.
entries, like how I do my tradings,
Yeah, yeah.
right? And
Mm-hmm.
also on the group, I think we drop the entries on the group too. You can join us on the group
Yeah,
because on the group,
that would be great, right?
we drop entries on the group. So this is just like when we come to make awareness for people to know what we're doing. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Real Boy. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for the sharing. Thank you, guys. I hope you did enjoy our chart. The more we go, the more we get. I'm gonna share with you all the experience from all the traders over the globe. Stay tuned. Follow us and to our group, and we connect to the best. See you. We're gonna meet 3 times on the week. I'll set the
That'd be
schedule.
awesome. That'd be
Yeah.
awesome. So this is just like the first time we come in live. This is the
Yeah,
first
yeah,
time we
yeah.
come in live. I would love the turn up. Invite your friends because we are going to have like educative live streams to educate all our community members on how to expect the market, how to chart, how to trade, how to do the trading too, right? So you call your friends and join us right on this channel because it's gonna be full of education. It's gonna be full of education. I mean it. So you don't have to miss it. You won't miss this, right? So just come and hang out with us, guys.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for coming. See you again at the
Thank
next.
you, guys.
Yeah, the education that will be very important. Yes, we're trying all the best for you. Yes,
Have
see
a
you.
good day. See ya.
Yeah, bye bye. Thank you so much. Little boy. Bye. Okay.